voice filled my heart with pride, and those words, they resonate deep within us.
Grandma, but why they are singing this song today?
Oh, they're preparing for the 14th and 15th August.
I know, Grandma. For 15 August is Independence Day, but why we observe 14th August?
14th August. 14th August is the Partition Catastrophic Remembrance Day. It's a day of remembrance and reflection.
Grandma, but what is catastrophe of partition means?
Do you not understand the meaning of partition? If you not understand the meaning of partition, how will you understand the meaning of catastrophic? You know, our country is so large, but later it was divided.
You mean it was divided?
Yes, but there is a difference between dividing and partitioning. Let me explain. You have 10 chocolates. How will you divide them into among yourself? 5 for each now, equally. But if you have only one candy, how will you divide?
Grandma, it's very simple. We will turn it or break it into two pieces.
Yes, beta. That breaking it, shattering it into pieces, that's what partition is. And the pain, the suffering we have from that, it was catastrophic.
Grandma, I understand the meaning of catastrophe, but partition, horror, what are these things means?
Let me explain. I will tell that it was divided. It was dividing in two parts in the name of religion. Millions of people flee from here and there is a chaos everywhere. And millions of people become homeless. It was very horrible.
Oh, Mama, you have arrived.
Hello, my dear children. What are you doing?
We are just discussing about the significance of August 14 and 15.
Mother, I hope my children are not disturbing you. When I was coming, I was listening that you all are discussing about something, horror of separation, significance of 14 August, and something catastrophe. What is catastrophe? If you two instead of studying, you are wasting your time in this nonsense discussion. And you all are saying that we will celebrate tomorrow's holiday as Independence Day. No. I have another plan tomorrow. After a long time, I have got a holiday and you all are saying that we will celebrate it like this. No. Never. We are celebrating in a beautiful restaurant and I will arrange a get-together party for my friends. That's all.
Stop talking like this, Ma. We can't celebrate August 14 and 15 as a normal holiday. Don't you really know about the significance of August 14 and 15? If you don't know, then listen. The partition of undivided India is a painful dark history of human displacement and forced migration.
This was an event where millions of people were searching for new homes in completely opposite circumstances.
Apart from being a story of a violent division based on faith and religion, it's also a story of
How a lifestyle and an era of coexistence for many years ended abruptly and dramatically.
approximately 6 million Hindus, Sikhs, and people from other communities left that area and later became West Pakistan.
6.5 million Muslims left Punjab, Delhi, and many parts of India for West Pakistan.
2 million Hindus and people from the communities left East Bengal, which later became East Pakistan, and later they came to West Bengal.
In 1950, another 2 million Hindus and people from other communities came to West Bengal.
1 million Muslims left West Bengal for East Pakistan.
The death toll in this catastrophe is said to be around 5 lakhs.
But the estimated figure is between 5 to 10 lakhs.
It is said that this partition probably resulted in the largest number of killings in the name of religion after World War II.
Centuries old social fabric and beliefs were broken. Tears flow from the eyes. This painful current. Life has ended late. Friends have been lost. So many people came to Bengal from East Pakistan that there was not an inch of space left in anyone's house to accommodate their relatives.
The West Bengal government arranged 15 steamers to bring refugees from Chattogram, Narayanganj, Barisal and Chandpur to Kolkata.
People have fled East Pakistan by waterway. Many boats sank. After a few days, only dead bodies were floating on those water surfaces.
What was so special about the land of Asia for which we lost everything?
Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Punjab, Gujarat, Sindh, the fire of partition ran everywhere. All the shops and houses were looted. Oof, can you understand and imagine the horror of that night?
How can they forget that horrible nights when they fled with their children in their arms? They somehow reached a distant relative place. Many of the relatives were scattered along the way.
People from Pakistan fled towards Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Gujarat, Bengal, Rajasthan in millions. Tears streams from their eyes. These painful currents, a life broken with lost confidence.
In the end, they had to come to a refuge camp. Who understand better than them how a happy family, a happy village, a city can be destroyed?
Mother, I'm so sorry. I was so wrong and so audacious today. Now I can understand the relevance of the 14 August and why it marks the significance of 14 August. And my dear children, now I can understand the pain of the partition. Due to hatred and violence, lakhs of our brothers and sisters were displaced. In the memory of the suffering and sacrifices of those people, we have decided to observe the 14th August as the Vibhajan Vivishika Smaran Divas.
Yes, Vibhajan Vivishika Smaran Divas. So, let us take place today.
We must keep India united. We will not fall for any political trickery now. With unity and focus, peace and prosperity, we will develop our Mother India. We will develop our Mother India. Come, let us all go. Victory to Mother India! Victory to Mother India! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Vande